Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Wireless Tutor. Dear friends, today we are going to learn various facts about the prominent rivers of Odisha. So in this video, we will learn about the river Baitarini. It is a, it is a prominent river situated in Odisha. This video is going to be very useful for all of the government examinations. So, dear friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. So, dear friends, let us understand what is the origin of Baitarini River. Baitarini River originates from the Gonasika hill, which is situated at Dumriya village of Keonjhar district. Its name is Gonasika hill because its shape is cow nose shaped. It is a cow nose shaped hill, so its name is Gonasika hill. So then go to the next point. After half kilometer, it passes through the underground, so that it is called as Gupt Ganga. Gupt means hidden. It is not shown to the outside, so that after half kilometer, as it goes underground, so its name is Gupt Ganga, or many persons call it as Gupta Baitarini. Then go to the next point. It originates at an elevation of 900 meter, or that is about 3000 feet from sea level. The river acts as a natural boundary between Odisha and Jharkhand. So now go to the next fact, that is course of Baitarini. Baitarini, at first, as we know that Baitarini is originated from the Gonasika hill. After its origin, it passes through the Anandpur plain. Then it forms delta at Akhwapada with Brahmani river. Then it falls into Bay of Bengal at Dhamara. As it falls into the Bay of Bengal at Dhamara, Dhamara is called as the mouth of Baitarini. Then go to the next point. It flows through several districts. It originates from Keonjhar, then it moves to Bhadrak, then Jajpur, and then Kendrapada district. Next, Jajpur. Jajpur is called as the gift of Baitarini. Jajpur, Jajpur, Jajpur district is called as the gift of Baitarini. Now move to the next point. Its length is about 306 km according to Wikipedia. Its length is about 300. It's about 360 km. But according to Odisha textbook, it is about 365 km. This is 365 km. Then go to the next point. Its tributaries are, it has about 65 tributaries. 35 tributaries are from left side and 30 from right side. Out of the 65 tributaries, here are some major tributaries like Buddhi, Kanjori, Ambazara, Musal, Kusai, Salandi, and Matai. Salandi and Matai are the prominent tributaries of Baitarini River. So you have to remember this. There is a waterfall which is called Bhimkund waterfall that originates from the Bhimkund basin, Bhimkund pool, and its height is about 30 meter. Then come to the basin. Its basin spreads in the Eastern Ghat, mainly in the Eastern Ghat plateau. It lies in the Eastern Ghat plateau. Its western slopes lies in Jharkhand in small portion, but most of the major portions lie in Panpos. Most of the major portions lie in Panpos, Keonjhar, Palalahada plateau. Central Plateau lies mostly in Odisha and divided into 5 blocks. Then come about the dams and barrages. There is a prominent dam that is called Salandi Dam. Salandi Dam was constructed on Salandi River. It has a capacity of irrigation up to 61,920 hectares of areas. Then another dam project that is called Bhimkund Dam Project that is situated at Boring Village, which is 40 kilometers away from Karanjia, and it almost lies in Keonjhar district. Some of the major dams are Upper Baitarini Dam and Singhanali Dam. A barrage is constructed at Anandpur, which was recently inaugurated by CM Naveen Patnaik. So, dear friends, we have reached to the end. If you like this video and if you feel that this video is informative, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.